treasure with the same enthusiasm, respect, and morality that define our hero.
Only right that we look back with gratitude. Alam ko na hindi naging madali ang nakaraang taon. We faced operational challenges, security risks, and the personal sacrifices of being away from our families, especially on red alert systems. But despite these hurdles, you remained steadfast and resilient. Through your commitment, Caraga has remained a beacon of integrity and professional jail management. Hindi niyo hinayaan na madaig tayo ng pagsubok, pagkos ginamit niyo ito upang mas lalong pagbutihin ang ating serbisyo. Ngayong 2026, our theme is growth and transformation. Hindi lang sapat na tayo ay present, we must be purposeful and of service with the heart. Let us continue to treat our PDLs with dignity, reminding them that there is hope for a second chance. In return ng ating serbisyo, we are rewarded with the approved additional subsistence allowance and first tranche of salary increase. Let us maintain our professionalism and integrity. Zero tolerance tayo sa anumang gawaing makakasira sa imahe ng ating kawanihan. With excellence be our only standard. Let us build the spirit of camaraderie within our region and unite as a one BGMP Caraga. Magtulungan tayo, walang maiiwan. Let's make 2026 a year of breakthroughs. Mabuhay ang BGMP Caraga, mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Ma'am, once again, let's raise our glasses. Dahan-dahan lang po. As we raise our glasses today, we honor the past year for its lessons, for our unity, the future of our service that we continue to give. Let's move forward with integrity, resilience, and a shared commitment to excellence.